Alright, this is my Bachmann Thunder Chief again, but now I put it on my Kato track instead of using the Bachmann track that came with it over here. And let me tell you, that is night and day difference, because the Bachmann I put together and it didn't go together correctly how I liked it, and my trains were getting derailed, and I didn't really like it. So I went with the Kato HO track, and this is the train. I can go almost full speed and the train never comes off. The Kato track is just amazing to me. I couldn't do this before on the Bachmann. It just kept popping off the track and getting annoyed, so. And that's it. That's my Kato track that I just got this morning, and I hooked up to the BCC with my Bachmann controller. I know it's a very standard one, but I just wanted to try it out anyway.